The Habibi gang, the Habibi gang. Running up the chat, make the place go bang. No.
¿Cómo está YouTube? What's up?
¿Cómo está Ate and
Gentlemen.
Brothers
Ate
and
is...
sisters.
I forgot.
Kuya and Ate?
Kuya and Ate. Kuya's and Ate. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for correcting. I know some people will like... So we're back with our beloved missioned souls.
Yes.
This is a paid request, a priority request by our friend now,
Robert Miranda.
298.
I guess I forgot the numbers, but yes, Robert Miranda.
Thank you, Robert, for the constant... Bro, thank you for not support for us, but thank you for your support for Mission Souls. You have to... I mean, it's really appreciated from our side to see somebody who supports their... Especially a band like this, which is an upcoming band, not an established band.
Yep.
That's really amazing. They are lucky to have people like y'all, by the way. They are really lucky to have fans like y'all. Just to plug in a couple of things, if you like what you see, please.
Hang on a minute. Hold it. I also want to say, we are also fans of them.
Of course we are, but I'm just saying it's nice to see the support that they get. It's very, very felt and genuine, and we've seen it. It's strong. They have a very strong community.
They do.
For such a small band that is still coming up. That is what I'm trying to say. So anyways, thank you very much for all the support and the continuous comment. Keep it coming. We always look forward to the comments coming from Mission Souls fans, Philippines or otherwise. Leave a comment, subscribe, comment. What is the other thing? The notification bell. Oh, by the way,
Smash that like.
smash that, break the TV. What is it? We go on Twitch every weekend.
Yes,
All
every
right.
Friday, 9 p.m. UAE time. So
The situation is here. So we'd love to see you there. It's mostly hanging out, talking BS, and checking out all kinds of music. We actually check out a much more varied kind of music over there than we do on Twitch, on YouTube, because we take requests live and we just hang out and we talk to the people, and sometimes we even pick people live and we talk to.
yeah.
So
Varied or varied?
yes. So Mission Souls
Varied.
live performance of Crazy Train by the late Ozzy. What the?
We'll be trying this song. We just learned this.
We just learned it.
Oh, let's go.
We're all dresses.
I'm not used to seeing them in
That's
dress.
why. Oh, much softer. It's okay, Ice. It's all right.
You have to do that again.
But he was trying to sort out the earpiece situation and still maintaining it with one hand. Then he hit the rim shot instead of the actual snare. It's okay, bud. Ta-da-da. Huh. I just want to talk about that bit one more time. By the way, the the slip up that happened, I really like the fact that they didn't try to hide it in the edit. They in fact showed it.
Kept it.
Because it's a multicam setup, right? So they could have, but no, they kept it. This is what happened. This is how it is. Own it. That is, by the way, a mark of a professional band, really, because pros should be comfortable. That's what
Of
like what
making
they say.
mistakes?
Yeah, because mistakes when they happen live is what makes it. It's like it makes the performance unique.
Okay. No, it makes the performance real.
Not just real. Real performance is anyway real, but I'm saying it makes because I'm saying
that was
yeah.
stupid comment.
I don't want to put you down. What I'm saying is, like when they play, for example, a professional band who's on tour, and today they're doing city 1, city 2, city 3. They do a mistake here, and another slip up here, another mistake here. The guitarist this time is the drummer, this time is the bassist. That performance happened only once. A perfect performance could have been a copy paste from the studio recording, right? So it's perfectly fit, and there's nothing wrong with that. But what I'm saying is, if you've seen it there, that one song, let's say, you've seen it here pretty much. It depends on the crowd. The crowd
Yeah.
will change the mood.
Yeah.
But that performance with that slip up, that time when that vocalist slipped up and they looked at the drummer and they both exchanged a laugh, that's unique for the moment, and you'll remember that. You know what I mean? So that's a professional thing. Hats off. Nice harmony.
Oh, I just noticed she's singing also.
Tap. He's keeping an eye on her. She's gotten so good on the guitar.
Yeah.
There's a lot of communication happening between Aces and Ice. Noticed? The kick drum, the kick, it went forward. He's trying to pull it the whole time, but it's not happening. That's why he kind of screwed up a little bit.
Really? No, I did notice
Yeah,
that.
in that
I can see
final
she
run.
turned around.
Yeah,
and-
look. He will tell her now.
Wow, go.
Amazing.
Well done.
This will be our last song for me and my.
Amazing. Love watching them live. I love watching them live.
I wish we get to see them live. I really, really
In
wish.
person.
In person.
Come to Dubai.
I'm going to be right there front and I'm going to be cheering. I feel with the mom. I'm going to be the mom with the mom.
I'll be watching Ice. This was amazing, man. They are not only growing in age, but they're growing into their characters, into their persona, into their band, you know, the scene, and into everyone's heart when they're
Yeah.
watching them. They're having, which is just like going back to what we were talking about in the beginning. They have already established a connection with the fan base, which is freaking phenomenal for a band that's just starting up to have a solid base that rocks with you, a base that follows you, that sees what you're doing, that cheers you up. You know what I mean? So that's amazing because it takes years for bands to actually have that rapport, and they're not really touring.
No.
So it is amazing what they could achieve. It's kudos to them and to their fans. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching. We hope you enjoyed this as much as we did. It's always just heaps of fun. Dude,
It's
I
just
couldn't
all
stop
smiles.
smiling.
It
Yeah,
hurts. It hurts here.
watching them live. Anyways, let us know what to check out next if you reach till here as always.
Hashtag THG.
Much love to you and yours. We'll see you on the next one.
The Habibi gang, running up the chat, make the place go bang. No boasting round, we turning up loud. One big fam, yeah, we make you proud. The Habibi gang, we vibe so sweet like a mango stand.